noch so viele Ziegel und sowas drin, ne? Ach ja.
Carpet. Another glass bottle.
Könnte man hier aufmachen?
Another enormous carpet. Holy shit. So many glass bottles here. No? Yeah. I think there's a pacifier in the bushes there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Nee, not again. Another carpet. Holy shit. Okay, first bag is full. It's really, really heavy, and yeah, we're better closing this one up now. The most annoying stuff to clean.
Ist viel geringer als von 2 Meter.
Schade. And here's our exit. And now we're done with the second cleanup for today. 3 carpets, 2 bags, and yeah, this scooter, which led to our cleanup. We saw it in the river and we just had to get it out. Yeah, so this is cleanup number 2 today. Every time you think you're done, there's more trash. Right there. 6 tons. Beautiful sign that someone threw here in the river.
That's the amount of trash we picked up today.
Yeah.